Okay, so we're going to solve a quadratic equation. It's 9x squared minus 36x plus 40 equals 0. So everything is on one side, so that makes it a good candidate for factoring or the quadratic formula. But since we've done enough factoring, let's just say we're going to try the quadratic formula. And in that case, the a would be 9, the b would be negative 36, and the c would be 40. So remember our quadratic formula is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So we're going to drop our values for a, b, and c into the formula. So I'll have x equals negative 36 plus or minus the square root of negative 36 squared minus 4 times 9 times 40 all over 2 times 9. So I'm going to do some rapid cleanup here. Negative 36 would be a positive 36, and that'll be plus or minus the square root of, let's see here, 36 squared, got a calculator, minus the product of 4 times 9 times 40. That gives me a negative 144. I'm going to go ahead and write that as 144i. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the negative out, the imaginary part, and that'll be over 18. So we can still do some good cleanup here, because this will be 36 plus or minus square root of 144 is 12. So 12i over 18. The thing that's important to notice here is this 18 is part of the denominator of two pieces up here, the 36 and the 12, so you can't cancel it out of just one part. So if you're going to reduce it, it might be good to separate these. You can write it as 36 over 18 plus or minus 12 over 18i, and then you can see how easy it is to reduce the fractions. So our final answer here will be a complex number. It'll be 2 plus or minus 2/3 I. Technically that's two solutions, but complex numbers comes in pairs for solutions. All right, good job.